Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to conduct a quiz with the help of Google form. With this for this we have to open our browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome here, and with this you have to open google.com. Google.com you have to open. Then here you are getting some options. You have to click on these options and you will get Google Drive here. If you are logged in, that is very good. If you are not logged in, that means you will get sign in option here and you have to log in with your Gmail ID. Here you are getting my photo. That means I already have logged in. मैं login हूँ इसमें. Otherwise sign in option you will get and you have to log in with your Gmail ID. By clicking on these options you will get these options, and here we have to open Drive, but don't click on this. You have to just hold these button and then you will get these options again. Here we have to click on open in new tab. Now Google Drive I am opening from the new tab. Now next thing what we have to do is we have to open it in desktop side. मीन्स जैसे ये डेस्कटॉप में दिखता है उसी तरीके से वी हैव टू ओपन दिस. विद फॉर दिस वी विल गेट द ऑप्शंस फ्रॉम हेयर. डेस्कटॉप साइड, just check this button. Now this is our desktop side. That means the visibility is same as we get in our system or desktop. Next thing what we have to do is we have to click. I'm going to zoom this. It is taking some time and it is very easy to use Google form. We have to click on new, because I am not able to zoom it because it is taking very a long time. That's why I am opening it from here only. Here now you can see, as I clicked on new option with the plus sign, I am getting these options, and with this I have to click on Google form. As I clicked on Google form is going to open. Now here first of all we have to put heading. Suppose we are conducting this quiz for our children, for students, so we can put our school name. Usually I put my school name here. So I have written, or the institution name, whatever you want to give the heading. And then I am going to write here class. Suppose I am going to conduct this paper for class 1, class first, with subject GK. Subject GK. Next thing what we have to do is, again we have to open this in desktop side. So again check desktop side. Desktop side check करने के बाद you will get these options now, जैसे हमें desktop में मिलते हैं. Here you are getting a sign for setting. So click on that which is near to send option. Click on this. As I clicked on this, we have to, because I am going to make this a quiz, so we have to click on quiz setting. So quizzes are here, and make this a quiz and then save. What we did, click on quiz and then make this a quiz. पे आप लोगों को क्लिक करना है, ऑन करना है बटन, and then save. Now first question I am going to write here. So my first question is, who is the PM of our country? Options I am going to give. My first option is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and To give the second option, we have to click on add option. Narendra Modi. And to give more options, we can click on add option, but here I am going to give only 2 options, and then we have to put answer key. With this, we have to put points for every question कि कितने पॉइंट का ये क्वेश्चन है. Suppose it is of 1 point, means 1 mark, and the answer key I have to click now. Answer is Narendra Modi, and then I have to do done. Click done. Now to add the second question, we are getting some options here, and we have to click on this plus button. Now second question has been added. Second question I am going to write, who is the first PM of India? And then again I have to put some options here. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh. Second option I am going to put here is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, I can add more questions, more options, but I am not adding it here. Because my main goal is that to make you understand how to use Google Form. Then answer key, again click on answer key. Points, again I am going to give 1 point for every correct answer, and answer I have to check. Answer click करना है, and answer I have clicked that this is the answer of this question, and then done. Only this much. And yes, I forgot to add the name. So first we have to it has been deleted as I opened it in desktop side. So first of all we have to open this in desktop side, and then form title I usually give my school name BDGS, then class 1, subject GK, and then I am going to add तो यहाँ पर मुझे ऐड करना है नेम ऑफ द किड, एंड इसमें ये शॉर्ट आंसर टेक्स्ट अपने आप दे देगा, आंसर की नहीं होगी, एंड इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड. रिक्वायर्ड मीन्स student should write their name, otherwise he will not be able to send his paper, he will not be able to submit this quiz. तो उसके लिए उसको required हम इसीलिए टिक करते हैं, so that वो अपना नाम ज़रूर लिखें. ओके, तो इतना मैंने बना दिया. नेम कॉलम इज़ नेसेसरी टू गिव, तभी हम लोगों को पता चलता है. नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इज़ वी हैव टू सेंड. Click on send option, and then you can send it by email, or click on this option and copy the link. Now you can send this link in your WhatsApp group so that students can attempt this paper. So I hope all this clear to you. Thank you everyone.